In this walkthrough, we'll show you how EZRentOut connects with QuickBooks Online, so rental teams can manage customers, orders, invoices, taxes, and payments without duplicating work across systems. Start by opening your company settings, then go to Integrations and search for QuickBooks. From here, connect EZRentOut with QuickBooks Online. This creates the bridge between rental activity in EZRentOut and accounting records in QuickBooks. EZRentOut redirects to Intuit so the account can be authorized securely. Once connected, the two systems can begin sharing customer, invoice, tax, and payment data based on your settings. Next, map the QuickBooks accounts EZRentOut should use for rental income, liabilities, expenses, sales, and other order-related transactions. These mappings make sure financial activity from rental orders is categorized correctly once it reaches QuickBooks. You can also map payment methods such as cash, check, credit card, or other payment types, so payments stay aligned between EZRentOut and QuickBooks Online. Once the mappings are selected, save the setup to activate the connection. With the integration connected, EZRentOut is ready to exchange customer, invoice, tax, and payment data with QuickBooks Online. You can also pull customer records from QuickBooks into EZRentOut. This keeps customer details consistent and gives your rental team the right records to work with when creating orders. Now let's create a rental order for a customer that came from QuickBooks. Open the customer record to view their details and start a new order. From the customer profile, the team can start an order directly, keeping the customer, billing, and order history connected. On the order, search for the rental item, select the available asset, and add it to the order. EZRentOut adds the item and calculates the rental charges. Before syncing to QuickBooks, review the order totals. EZRentOut shows the full billing breakdown, including rental charges, discounts, fees, tax, and the payable amount. Once the order is ready, use the More menu to sync the invoice with QuickBooks. This sends the rental billing details to accounting without manual re-entry. If QuickBooks uses automated sales tax, EZRentOut prompts you to enable tax syncing as well. This helps keep tax handling consistent between the rental and accounting systems. Go back to QuickBooks integration settings and enable Sync Taxes with QuickBooks. This allows EZRentOut to align tax data with QuickBooks during invoice sync. You can also map invoice dates, due dates, and notes, so the invoice appears in QuickBooks with the right operational context from the rental order. Back on the order, EZRentOut now has the required settings in place to sync the invoice successfully. The order keeps the complete billing summary visible so teams can confirm the amount before reviewing it in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks, the invoice is created from the EZRentOut order. The invoice includes the synced line items, quantities, tax, and the total amount. Next, the accounting team can record payment directly in QuickBooks against the synced invoice. Since payment sync is two-way, this payment can flow back into EZRentOut automatically, keeping the rental order updated. On the Receive Payment screen, select the EZRentOut invoice from the Outstanding Transactions list. This ensures the payment is applied to the correct rental invoice and synced back to the right order in EZRentOut. Enter the amount received. In this example, a partial payment is applied in QuickBooks, and the updated payment status can sync back to EZRentOut so the rental team can see what has been paid and what is still outstanding. Click Record and close to save the payment in QuickBooks. With the integration in place, EZRentOut remains the system for rental operations, while QuickBooks Online stays updated with invoice, tax, and payment activity. And because Payment Sync works both ways, payments charged in EZRentOut or recorded in QuickBooks can stay reflected across both systems automatically.